Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. How are you doing today? Today we are doing good in Texas. It's still hot, of course, but you know, that's Texas for you. But today we are going to Grove. Do you Grove? Yes, we're going to Grove. It says Vicky, 3 cheers for you. And if you don't know it, my name is Vicky. But I go by Miss Jackie Russell here on the YouTube, and that is my nickname, and so I am used to that name. And I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to show you what I got. Now, the Grove is a monthly subscription, and it says we're moving beyond plastic, and they are trying to be plastic free by 2025, as you can see. And they are a kind of an all-natural, eco-friendly type company. You can get all kinds of products that are made more naturally or that will save trees, like bamboo products and things. You can get bamboo toilet paper, bamboo paper towels, and Kleenexes. They have all kinds of things like that. They pack with paper, and as far as I know, that could be some bamboo paper. In this order, I don't have a whole lot, but you can get as much as you need or as much as you don't need. You can, on your monthly shipment, you can change the way your shipment is done. If you don't need anything at the time that it's your monthly shipment, you can change your date, you can change your order, and I will tell you, you will need to go into your cart when they tell you that they're getting ready to ship to make sure that you're getting things that you need. Sometimes they'll have everything in your cart that you've ever purchased, and if you don't go in there and correct it or change it or update it, you'll be getting items that you may not need right now. So be sure and check that out. Also, they have shipping for $4.95 on any order. You can become a VIP and you get your shipping free after you pay a $19.99 yearly fee. So there is a slight fee, but it's for the whole year, and all your shipments ship for free. So even if you order something off of your regular monthly, it would ship free. So this is what I ordered this month. I have a few new things. I'm gonna try out the 7th generation. This is a no rinse required, and this is eucalyptus and spearmint. And I usually get the citrus, and I thought I would try this, so I'm looking forward to giving this a try. I would say this probably runs around $6.99 or something like that, and it kills the cold, flu, viruses, and it's, like I said, a no rinse, and it is very clean. It even says on there, clean, but I like it. I use it for air freshener, and I even disinfect things with this, so I mean, it works great. I don't have to worry about rinsing it. The next item I bought is, I have glass dispensers, and sometimes my little spray shooters break or wear out, so you can order them, and I think these were like $3.50 each. And so when my sprayers get, I guess, sticky and they're not working properly, I can just exchange it out. They did tell me that I can just use hot water on my old one and flush it out and it'll start working again. And I tried that and they were exactly right, it did. The next item that I purchased, oh, I didn't purchase this. This must have been a free gift. I'm hoping that was a free gift because I would never buy that. I'm sorry, I just don't use boosters in my dishwasher. I guess I'll try this out. It says it's a fresh citrus scent, and it's a power dishwasher detergent, and it boosts the cleaning power. I just don't know where you're supposed to put it. I'll have to figure this out because I'm really not sure. You do get free gifts on occasion, and sometimes when you order a certain amount, you'll get something free. Okay, I do know what this is. So this is Inner Strength Marine Collagen, and I use this in my shakes, or you can even put it in your coffee or in water, and you just probably do like a scoop, and this is going to help your nails, your skin, your hair, and your collagen in general, so it should help your skin. And my little puppy just won't quit crying. I'm sorry, guys. He's a sweet little puppy, but he just likes to cry. And there's nothing wrong with him other than he's an only child, and maybe he's lonely because he doesn't have any siblings. But that happens sometimes. Back to this. This here was given free, probably with a $35 purchase. They do have free gifts. In order to get the free gifts on those, you have to ship that day, and it'll say ship now to receive this gift. And I'm sure that that's how I got this, because it's not something I would normally order, because I don't really feel like I need a booster for my dishwasher. But I'm going to still give this a try. It might make my glasses. It shows here, you know, maybe there won't be as many water spots or no water spots. I'm not even sure if I have water spots, but I guess it's just going to help it ensure that it doesn't. So I'll give it a try, but I will tell you, with being a VIP, you get quarterly gifts, and they send you an email, and you can pick out, you know, from 4 or 5 different items. So there's lots of choices on that as well. They don't just toss something in. They let you choose it. So that's another thing about Grove that I like. So if this is something that you'd like, and you'd like to have cleaning products, like I get my laundry detergent, my dishwash detergent, I buy all kinds of cleansers, I guess, for the house and for the floor, for the counters, just because it's safe and effective. And I like it that it's natural, and that it pulls us away from using all those chemicals. And they also are going plastic free, or trying to. I don't know how they're going to get around this, because this is made out of plastic, unless it's bamboo. You know, bamboo is an amazing thing. There's crazy things that you can get that's made out of bamboo, like cutting boards and clothes, all kinds of things. So it's a very fast-growing plant, and it's very eco-friendly. But anyways, that's all I have today for Grove. Be sure and look down in my descriptions for any current giveaways that I may have. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.